Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on a Chrysler Sebring. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Next, gather your tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a torque wrench. Make sure your vehicle is safely elevated on sturdy jack stands before you begin any work underneath it. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and secure repair process. Once the vehicle is safely supported, locate the starter motor, which is usually found on the passenger side, mounted to the transmission bell housing. Carefully disconnect the main power cable and the smaller solenoid wire from the starter. These connections are often secured with nuts. After the wires are off, remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that hold the starter to the engine block. Keep track of all hardware. With the old starter removed, carefully position the new starter into place. Hand tighten the mounting bolts first to ensure proper alignment before fully tightening them. Next, reattach the electrical connections, making sure they are secure and on the correct terminals. The larger cable goes to the main power post, and the smaller wire connects to the solenoid. Finally, torque all bolts to the manufacturer's recommended specifications for a secure fit. After the new starter is installed and all connections are secure, carefully lower your vehicle. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, ensuring it's tight. Now, it's time for the moment of truth. Attempt to start the engine. Listen for a strong crank. If all goes well, you've successfully replaced your starter. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.